We build the world around us. A growing world that keeps people safe and connected. Building societies. Creating communities. But we have a bigger role to play. And that's why we are reinventing how the world builds. A world that is made greener, made smarter, made for all. A world that is circular, a future that is net zero, making more with less, creating progress for everyone. We understand the challenges, and we are rising to meet them, because with our heads, our hands, and our hearts, we build. We will find new answers and push ourselves to realize them. Because we know the future isn't written, it's built.